We're gonna make a honey habanero rice with peas. Pick a nice habanero. We're gonna toast it, and then 2 garlic cloves again with skin. A piece of an onion. I'm gonna start chopping the habanero.
I'm super hungry too.
I'm so hungry. Olive oil. Mucho, mezclalo mucho, que cubra todo. I'm gonna add 3 cups of chicken broth.
Okay.
So it's like adding more flavor. Now you could do water.
Yeah, I feel like it always tastes better with chicken broth. Yeah.
Always tastes better with chicken broth. And I'm adding a tablespoon of honey.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm adding a teaspoon of salt.
Okay.
And we're gonna use jasmine rice.
Okay.
Which is like so fluffy and the grains cling to each other. So it's boiling. Now you add the rice.
All of it?
Yeah?
Okay.
All of this. 2 cups of jasmine rice.
Okay. So
Okay.
mix a little bit.
And then mix it. And then I'm gonna add a few sprigs of cilantro into the broth para que le dé saborcito, pero lo pongo así en una esquinita.
Okay.
And then you just stir. Okay. And then you just cover. Okay, so now that it's boiling, we cover it. And then you reduce the heat to low.
I'm excited to eat the rice. Oh my god.
The rice is
insane.
the rice is insane.
I feel like so many times we have rice with like every meal, but it's never this good. This is like the best rice. It's so good.
Yep.